welcome back with another crypto update video. I am Tesla the Tesla, also the traveling trader. And what do we have here? So first things first, we got Bitcoin up about 9% on the week. Nice push up, and that is reflected in price here at 68.1. So that 9% puts us at 68.1. Ethereum, we're up 9%. Binance, we're up 4%. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here at our Bitcoin actually. First thing I notice is this right here. This 69 price has been a place of interest for a few months now. As you can see, we were here back in May, we were here in July, and now we're back here again in October. So that price of 69 is definitely a place of interest. Let's go ahead and just dive right into the charts. All right. So as you can see here on the week chart, let's go back and take a look at this. What do we have here? From this last run up, we had a nice consolidation point right here. All this was consolidation, getting us ready for our next push up. All right. Then what do? After we consolidate here and push up, we briefly, very, very briefly consolidate here before our next push up. All right. And as you can see here, this is a little choppy, but essentially, well, the reason it's choppy, this consolidation is a little bit different because it's a new high, new all-time high potential push-up. So those are a little more choppy. Price needs a little more convincing in a time like this. But as you can see, this is all just consolidation here. Just a little more choppy. All right. So this is our week chart. When I say a little more choppy, look, we had to push down to 48. Look at these two candlesticks here. I want to point something out about them. So this would have been a very confusing week to buy here. So we push up, we stall out, revert back. So if you'd have bought this week, you would have started pushing up thinking I'm in the money, pulled back, got a little side, maybe even sold, to just end up back where you started the week off, thinking, okay, I'm safe, and then boom, big drop down, right? This candle here, same thing. Bought here, thinking, all right, we're finally pushing up, to get pulled back down, to then end up the same place. So this week and that week would have been very confusing because over a 2-week period, you literally ended up in the same place with price. Just the same thing that happened again. So look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks of volatility and indecisive price movement is not what you want to base your trade off of. Now, if you were a long-term investor, this didn't bother you, but if you are in it a little more actively, this would have been very confusing and very frustrating. I said all that to say, look what happens here. So we pushed down to 49, regained all that in the same week. This is very indecisive consolidation. We pull back again, this time to only 52. So you pull back to 50. We just pulled back to 49. We pulled back to 52. That lets me know we're clear for a move forward. Look what we got here. Pull back again. This time only to 59. We barely even lost 60,000. Pull back, quickly reverted back. This lets me know we are ready for. I'm going to get rid of this line and actually make. So I say before the end of this year. Here's the end of this year right here. This is December 2nd. Let's see. Here's December 30th. So from here to here, I'm looking to at least come back and regain this between now and the end of the year. That's my prediction on Bitcoin. Looking to push up and touch or even consolidate here for that next new high consolidation point. Let's go ahead and tick down to the day chart as well. Let's get rid of this. Let's make this bigger. So we got quite a few days between here and there, but that's what I'm looking to do. We just now got into our green zone. We actually had to come back and touch our red zone and also our neutral to then push up. See, but this is the thing. When you just rip up with no consolidation, typically you have to come back. See, this is consolidation within our red zone. This right here is just breakthrough, which is fine, which mostly says that was just some big institutional buy-in, because when you don't consolidate, that's just a purchase. You get what I'm saying? No pushback, straight green, that's just buying, that's purchases. So we look to could probably consolidate along our line here, or even pull back to our neutral. But yeah, I'm looking to come and get comfortable and consolidated up here above 70,000. Here's 69. And we're looking to consolidate here. All right. We're going to go ahead and tick down to the 4 hour as well. And yeah, so a little pullback. Another thing we're using with our Bitcoin is our MACD. I do love using the MACD. Here, let's actually add that real quick, just so I can show you. Just so I can show you what I'm talking about with when you add the MACD and you have more insight. So here, so if we line up our MACD with our MA cross, which is just this, look what we get on price, places of interest and price. Okay, so if we go back here, well, let's start here. So we were pushing up and we're looking at the MACD, the chart down below. So look at our green here. So if you go back here, you can see we were building up green, dark green, to then kind of consolidate and get indecisive, and to just to push up a little bit more. But honestly, I would have been watching from here. Once these candlesticks started going light green, I knew something was coming to happen. So what does that tell me? You might have an opportunity coming up. So price is holding on, but it's also getting weaker. It even tried to push up again, but even our dark candles, our dark green candles never even got touched our last ones here. So what does that tell me? Yes, price is trying, but it's also still weak. And where you have on the 4 hour, just a few hours later, we're actually not only giving up price, we're actually rejecting, getting sold. So here would have been these two candles right here would have been your place. I'm sorry. On the MACD, these two places right here would have been your place to be looking to buy. So price pulled back, and now it's starting to reject. Light green red, light green smaller red. We tried again, but it doesn't even touch our dark red here. So price is ready to revert, and then they push you back into the green. The thing I like about the MACD is when you max them out with crosses, you see the cross here on the top chart, it lets you know something's about to happen. And if you look here, we are close to a cross. So what does that tell me? We're probably going to be coming out of this red here in the next few hours to then revert back into a green, more green, and then even closer to our yellow up here. That's our 70,000 price. And the thing about crosses, it doesn't matter. They always happen. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Look at the space between this cross and this one versus the space in here. We haven't even done it yet. So it doesn't matter about how long. It matters about when. Because look how long this red was versus how short this green was versus how long this green was, right? So it doesn't matter about that. What does matter is when that price gets ready to cross, that's when you're looking for movement. Whether it's cross down and you get a buy opportunity, or cross up and you get a sell opportunity. Right now, this is your buy opportunity because we're looking to get ready to cross out back into green territory. Thing is, once you extend a little bit, you see there is a little bit of space. It didn't look as, this cross looks like it's about to happen sooner than this one. So I would imagine we got a few more hours before that price cross. We could be looking out here somewhere, but get ready, buy opportunity now, just off of this last push up. This is your buy opportunity. People sold here to make a little bit of money. But that is pretty much all I have for Bitcoin today. Like I said, my own personal prediction is before the end of the year, we push up and consolidate here above that $70,000 mark on the road to 100. All right, so that's what I got so far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. New videos dropping weekly, if not daily. As always, drop something down in the comments. I don't mind adding things. This is just my personal favorites and my personal tickers on my watch list, but I always don't mind adding something if the people request. All right, Tesla to Tesla, traveling trader. I just noticed that's a lot of T's. Tesla to Tesla, traveling trader. All right, that's me. I'm out. Next video, peace.